Hello, my name is Oliver Robinson and I'm a teacher currently based in Tunisia. The title of my talk is Dictogloss, Collaborative, Differentiated and Fun. Dictogloss is one of those activities we may know, but it's one I rarely see being used by teachers or even as a suggested activity in course materials. Also, Dictogloss does not need any special tools for it to work. It only requires the teacher's voice and a receptive audience. In my session, I'll give two examples of Dictogloss activities. These examples promote student-centered collaboration, are fun, add a competitive element, are differentiated to add support, increase the level of challenge, or give a different type of challenge to our learners. I will also discuss why, as teachers, we would use this type of activity and the value in using it. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully see you during my session on Dictogloss, Collaborative, Differentiated and Fun.